Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the VO3 and companion app are updated. Firmware mismatches break remote streams. Next, pick a VPN that supports OpenVPN or WireGuard because those protocols offer stable tunnels and low latency. Once you have credentials, log into your router or prepare a phone hotspot. You'll either run the VPN on the router or share the VPN connection from a hotspot. Do this now so the camera can route traffic through the VPN without requiring constant manual changes later. You'll configure routing so the VO3 traffic always goes through the VPN. On routers, install the provider's config or import an OpenVPN/WireGuard file, then assign a static IP or DHCP reservation for the VO3 to keep rules consistent. If using a phone hotspot, enable the provider's hotspot/VPN or use a laptop to share the VPN connection. Once done, test local streaming first. Only enable port forwarding when remote access requires a reachable public port and lock it to the camera's IP. Finish by validating the live stream over the VPN. Check resolution and latency so you know if encryption is degrading performance. If you hit problems, inspect DNS resolution, lower MTU to avoid fragmentation, and review split tunnel rules so only necessary traffic uses the VPN. If video drops or app can't discover the camera, temporarily revert to a direct connection to isolate whether the VPN is the issue. If reverting fixes it, adjust VPN routes or provider settings and retest until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.